Hello, today lesson is solving linear equations, page 125. Okay, definition of a linear equation, example, and then we go to exercises. So what's a linear equation? Is that equation with a pattern of number. I mean, this pattern can be number, also variables, but it's a certain pattern of a mathematical equation where the increase and decrease in the values are the same amount. When the changes are between two variables are the same amount, then we have a linear relationship. We call it a linear changes, a linear and an equal value of change between the two variables. Okay, so now, or there's another name for it, we can call it a first degree equation. So this is an example for an equation, x plus 3 equals 7. The change here will be a linear change. A change will be also, we can call it the decrease, and the increase will be the same amount, not some variable changes triple or double as the other variable. If the variable changes triple or more than in comparison with the first one, that means it is not a linear relationship. A linear relationship, the change between two variables are the same. So now, in such an equation, how can you find the value of x? And as you see in the x, the power of x here is 1. So this indicates that this is a linear equation or an equation from the first degree. So how can I find the value of x? You have to take 3 in the other side. How I take 3 in the other side? I have to leave x alone so that I know what is the value of x. So I minus a 3 here so that the 3 will eliminate with each other. But whatever I do in the left side, I have to do it also on the right side. So if I minus a 3 here, I have to minus 3 also on the other side. So it's going to be 7 minus 3, which is 4. So x equals 4. Let us make an example. We have this equation here, 2x minus 10 equals 10 plus 8x. So the equation was 2 between brackets, x minus 5 equal 2 plus 8. First, I expand this bracket. I multiply 2 by x, and then I multiply 2 by minus 5, which gives me 2x minus 10. Then this is expanding the brackets. This is the first step. I expand the bracket here to open it, to make it terms like that. If I see that I have x and a number here, and here I have a number and an x, but in fact I have to have only in one side x and the other side numbers. I have always to isolate the variable so that I can determine its value. So what I do now, 2x minus 10 equals 2 plus 8x. What shall I do? Subtract 2x from both sides. I put 2x in this side and I put 2x in the other side. Why I do that? So that I eliminate this one here. This one is plus 2x. So plus 2x minus 2x will give me 0. So I'm left with only minus 10 here. But if you put minus 2x here, you have to do it also on the other side. So 2 plus 8x minus 2x also here. So it's going to be 8x minus 2x. This is 6x, so that you know from where the 6x comes, because I have subtracted also 2x from the 8x. Okay, now I have minus 10 equal 2 plus 6x. Still I don't have the x alone. I have the 2 also beside me. What I do so that so that I get rid of 2? What I do? I subtract 2 from both sides. Because this is plus 2, what is opposite to plus 2? Minus 2. So I put plus 2 minus 2, so I eliminate this one. I'm left up with 6x, but because I have subtracted minus 2 from here, I have to do it also from the other place. So it is minus 2 minus 10, it will give me minus 12. Still, I don't have the x alone. I need the x to be alone here. I like to isolate the x. Still, there's a 6 multiplied by x. I told you, between two terms, between two objects in mathematics, when there is no plus or minus, this means they are multiplied. So 6 is multiplied by x. So what is the opposite operation to multiplication? Division. So in order to get rid of this 6, you have to divide by 6. And when you divide by 6 this side, you have to divide the other side also by 6. This will give you minus 2, because 6 over 6 will be eliminated, leave the x alone, and minus 12 over 6 will give me minus 2, dividing both sides by 6. In this way, this is a very detailed way to show you how you find the value of x. As you see from the step, I am always aiming to leave the x in one part alone so that I find the value in the other part. So please, can you try with yourself also exercise 13.1 number 13 and number 14. It's very important. And send me your answers with WhatsApp. Thank you very much.